Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Guys, I made small chops for my family, but in this video I'm going to be focusing on samosa and the spring roll. Let's go. Here is my all-purpose seasoning and seasoning cube, my salt, my minced meat, spring onion, red onion, scotch bonnet, just one scotch bonnet is fine, carrots, red and green bell pepper, cabbage. I went ahead to cut the veggies. So I didn't want anything to dull me. I wanted it to be fast, so I was doing this thing at the same time, the samosa filling and the spring roll fillings. So I just added oil to the both pans. Next is my onion. I added onion here. I've added onion to the second pan. The next is to add my minced meat. So to the other first pan, I added bell pepper for the flavors to start coming out. So this one is for this particular pan. The first pan is for my spring roll filling. It's for my spring roll filling. It doesn't really take time to prep, so I added carrots, mix everything up. Then I'll go ahead to add to season it, just little salt. I added some seasoning and chicken seasoning cube. I didn't finish that particular one I showed you, just half of it. Guys, while I was doing this, I was still stirring the other, as in my minced meat. It's not supposed to be lumpy, so you keep stirring, like keep breaking it. Now I'm adding the cabbage. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Please do if you haven't done so. Just support us, like this video. Like, when I say like the video, don't just like it in your mind, click on that. You will see a thumbs up button there. Just click on it. Drop your comment for me. I love you guys. We keep doing this till the meat is properly separated, like no, as in there won't be gummy body. So I added the bell peppers to this one too. Bell pepper is very necessary. Now to my spring roll pan, I added the last thing, which is the spring onion. The spring onion is the last thing. I turned off the heat and I brought it out. I forgot that pot is hot. I had to use my hand to drag the pot. Just behave like my mom. Like my mom will literally use her bare hands to lift hot pot. It peppered me small. I brought it out so that the vegetables will not continue cooking as a result of the residual heat. This scotch bonnet should have entered, at the same time I added those bell peppers, but I somehow forgot. But it doesn't change anything. After adding the seasoning and the pepper, I allowed it to stay for 3 minutes before adding carrots. Now we go ahead to do the wrapping. So I'm prepping the gum, the glue. This is just flour and water. So for the wrapping, that is how to make the bread or the wraps. I didn't show it here. I've already done that before now, so that this video will not be long. Maybe sometime later I will do a small chop series, like I will break all these things down, like I will do video for just the samosa filling, video for this thing, video on how to wrap, how, so that you actually understand that everything cannot come in one video. I bet you it's gonna be boring, so just watch what I'm doing. So I'm trying to wrap samosa here. See guys, there are different ways to wrap this samosa. Like there are different easy ways or different more complex ones, but I feel this one for me is easier, so that's why I'm going for this. So like I said, when I begin the small chop series, I will have to talk about or show us different ways we can do these wrappings and all that. But for this video, just enjoy what I am doing. Just merry happy Christmas, but if you still pay attention very, you can do this yourself. It's not difficult. So I'm doing spring roll in this particular one. For spring roll, you don't need to cut the wrap. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Please do, if you haven't done so. Just support us, like this video. Like, when I say like the video, don't just like it in your mind, click on that. You will see a thumbs up button there. Just click on it, drop your comment for me. I love you guys. So guys, that is it, and then I fry. Thank you so much.